Going up, up, to infinity and up.
Like mentioned in the last video, the very southerly latitude and the proximity to the solstice had the sun rising at 5 a.m. and going down at 10 p.m. So naturally, we were up at 5 to hit Highway 73 north to our next destination at Hokitika. You can't mention New Zealand cuisine without mentioning lamb or meat pies. And before 73 turned into Arthur's Pass, we had to stop at the world-famous Sheffield meat pie shop for a lamb pie. Yes, they were amazing. Yes, I had about 18 meat pies over the next 10 days. Before Arthur's Pass, we made a stop at the Castle Hill Conservatory. Let me tell you, as soon as the rocks come into view on your left side, your jaw drops. You can't believe what you're seeing is real. You understand why the native Maoris have considered it a sacred place for centuries.
Blowing like 40. We'll send the drone up, see if we can get it back down. But it'll be worth it to capture this. The photographer in chief. Looks like the top. Wow, look at this. So smooth. Hold these rocks on it. Oh! She said, don't go all the way to the edges and make it seem like you're gonna fall off. If not for you, do it for me. It's a fair enough request. But look at this giant jungle gym. Man, if I had unlimited time, maybe I would eventually fall off, because look at this. Look at all these things to climb. Bouldering never knew a finer canvas. Oh. Careful. Woo! My God. I would worship these rocks too. I'd worship them all day long. All hail rocks.
As with most places in New Zealand, Castle Hill was the recipient of literal nomenclature. The aptly named hill is covered by imposing limestone boulders that resemble an old, run-down castle. The boulders, on average, are the size of condominiums. There are thousands of them. I had to mentally restrain myself from running and beginning to climb them all. The place is like a jungle gym for adults. The opportunities for climbing and bouldering, boundless. Understandably, the area has also been used to film epic battle scenes, most recently in the 2005 Narnia film. It's funny, I didn't know that when we were there, yet several times I said it out loud that I felt like we were in Narnia. Castle Rocks is unlike any other place I've ever seen. But then again, so was almost everywhere in New Zealand.